London house trip. This is the studio flat we are going to see now. And I know I have already shown you 3 BHK house which is in Bournemouth, but now we are going to see the house which is in central London. So let's get started with video. Come. So this is the lobby area. We have 2 rooms here. One is here, and the house which we are going to have tour is here. So I'm entering into the house. In my right hand side you can see a door. So this is basically a closet where you can keep your jackets and your bags, and as well as the washing machine. So in the exact opposite we have bathroom. So this is basically a bathroom door. They do have mirror on their bathroom. And let me just open this bathroom for you so we can have a look on this compact bathroom. So this is basically a toilet we have here. Then there is a wash basin, mirror. So below the wash basin you get compartment to store the bathroom cleaner and everything. Then let's move toward the shower room. So this is a shower room. Studio flat do not have a bathtubs. They have a shower room like this for space saving purpose. So this is pretty much a compact, pretty nice bathroom, I'll say, for this studio flat. And it's a space saving. So I'm entering into the hall now. The first thing I got here is phone. So if you have guests or anyone in the main gate of building, you can simply press this button to get them in. So this is the thermometer to control the temperature of your home. And then let me show you the complete hall slash bedroom slash living room. So we do not get the separate hall and bedroom in a studio flat. It's basically like everything is in within a one room. Okay, so you can see this is pretty much what we got as a hall bedroom here. And we do have like a one window and one gallery here. So this is basically the gallery we have. Because of this gallery you will get a lot of light and air in home. And then we do have some indoor plants, and this is like temple. We do have the basil plant. Like generally because of UK weather, basil plant don't grow here, but we do have one indoor plant. This is the basil plant we have. Then there are some more indoor plants I'll show you. So these are more like showpiece kind of plant. This is mint actually. So yeah, that's what you got pretty much here. Then there is a centralized heater. This is required in every home. And then let's move to the kitchen. So for the first thing is you can see is fridge. And let me show you the inside of this kitchen. So we do have the compartments, the chimney. Then there are again some cupboard for your kitchen utilities. Then we do have cooker slash gas. Then this is the oven. Then we do have some electrics unit here. This is basically the microwave, and this is the wash basin. So pretty much like a very compact kitchen, I will say. So this is what you will get as a kitchen in a studio flat. And then there is again one indoor plant. This is rose plant. So this is pretty much what you get inside the studio flat. And this studio flat will cost you almost 1 lakh rupees as a per month rent. Okay, because this is in a central London zone 1, and my office is literally 10 minutes to 15 minutes from this home.